Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. And yeah, for this day we are in Masjid Al Kahfi. So guys, in this day is Friday. We have an agenda for make ritual dakwah here. You know, al hidayah berdakwah. Yeah, very good, right? Now guys, we have here to teach the TPQ the TPQ for TPQ kids for storytelling, mini games, and for the main schedule is uh, teach Tawjid and Tafsir. And also, if the kids is still with Ikra, we will teach they about Ikra. But if they is if part of they is have been done the Ikra and use the Quran, we will teach about Tajwid and Tafsir. And yeah, guys, I'm sorry because uh, I can take a video about the teach for TPQ kids because yeah, it's not good for this thing. I think you may know what I say. So guys, this for my vlog and goodbye the next vlog and next day until 100 day. And then guys, I'll come back to the closing.